Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the monthly dollar CAD, this to me does look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. This move to me, even though I do have it labeled as 3 ways down, I kind of think that this is more impulsive and that this move up is going to make like a lower high, and potentially end up continuing back down. So let's head down to that weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it does look like the end of an ABC right here, and it looks like a 1, 2, 3. If that really is a 1, 2, 3, then this may not even be close to being over. It needs to most likely end up making a 3, 4, 5 just to finish off this pattern. If it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we are on the weekly time frame, then that's actually going to take a very long time to finish this pattern. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it seems like it should be a wave 1. 3 waves down seems like it should be a wave 2. It does seem like we should be in a wave 3 right now, and if this really is a wave 3, then it really should continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all part of this big wave 3, potentially a wave 3 of wave 5. So let's head down to that 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you really have to notice that this is continuing to make higher lows the whole way up, unless it goes down and breaks structure to the downside, which we have interest rate news for the dollar, and it potentially could definitely do that, especially looking at the dollar index. So if it does go down and break structure, I would definitely become a seller, and I would be looking for pullback entries to go short. But until that happens, I don't really see any reason to think this is over, and I think that we could be in a wave 3, and if it is a wave 3, then it could continue to make higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like it's preparing to make a move to the downside, but if it does something like this prior to the news that we have later on for the dollar, the interest rate news, then I would say there's actually a pretty good chance that the dollar could just keep on trending up, or the US dollar CAD could just keep on trending up. Now, if the news does cause it to go down and break structure, like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, like a nice big impulsive move to the downside, then I would definitely turn into a seller at that point, because that might be the end of this move up and potentially the continuation of the downtrend. So as usual, we just got to pay attention to our structure, pay attention to our highs and our lows, and just go with the flow. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.